Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm stepping in as your digital mentor. Look, if you're a complete beginner and feeling totally overwhelmed by your workload, take a deep breath. We're going to walk through exactly how students and early-stage developers can set up a seriously professional workspace using just a handful of powerful AI tools. By the end of this explainer, you'll know exactly how to dramatically boost your daily productivity, organize your digital workspace, and save literal hours every single week. All right, let's just dive right into it. To help you manage your time effectively, this explainer is organized as a step-by-step guide to your daily workflow. We'll be looking at researching faster with Scholar GPT, simplifying code with Code Tutorial, creating presentations with Gamma AI, and managing multi-step tasks with Agent Mode. Basically, we're moving from academic research to coding, presenting, and finally automating your everyday errands. All right, Section 1, Researching Faster with Scholar GPT. Let's kick off your day with some absolutely crucial time management advice for you students out there who need to research complex academic topics way faster. Most students just type into that basic ChatGPT prompt box and call it a day, right? But as your mentor, I've got to show you this hidden productivity gem, custom GPTs. For a quick little demo on using these for specific academic tasks, ditch the basic chat. Instead, just navigate over to the GPTs tab inside ChatGPT. This is where you'll find specialized, community-built tools. You can select something like Math Solver for those mind-bending equations, Code Tutor for programming help, or Essay Writer to assist with your academic writing. Honestly, it completely changes the game for your homework. But the absolute standout tool for your morning research? That's Scholar GPT. To get the absolute best academic research results, there are 3 key ways you can master it. First, you can prompt it to instantly explore over 200 million research papers. Yes, 200 million. Second, you can have it search through patents to track real-world innovation. And third, you can ask it to discover and summarize massive books for new ideas on AI and beyond. You're basically pulling from this incredibly vast, specialized database instead of just wandering around the general web. Moving on to Section 2, Simplifying Code with Code Tutorial. So once your research is done, it's time to actually build. If you're an early-stage developer, let's tackle how to handle those massive, undocumented coding projects. Seriously, let me ask you, have you ever just stared at a public GitHub repo that has 0 documentation and felt completely, utterly overwhelmed by the structure? As a beginner, looking at all those dozens of nested folders and connected files, it can make you feel totally lost, right? Well, here's a massive game changer for your workspace. Enter Code Tutorial. It's an incredible AI tool that literally converts those complex GitHub repositories into easy-to-follow, chapter-based tutorials. It simplifies the file structures, explains how different components relate to each other, and gives you line-by-line breakdowns of design patterns for way easier code understanding. It takes this giant, intimidating project and magically turns it into a logical tutorial you can actually follow. The best part is how easily you can fit this right into your daily routine. Step 1, visit the website. Step 2, paste that public GitHub URL. Step 3, click Generate Tutorial. It's that easy. But hey, write this quick troubleshooting tip down. If the repository you're working on is private, you'll briefly need to make it public first so the tool can access the files and generate the tutorial. Do that and you're going to save hours of just trying to decode those file structures. Okay, Section 3, Creating Presentations with Gamma AI. Your research is done, the code is complete. The next step is communicating your work, which brings us to generating professional presentations. This is a massive time saver for students. Let's do a quick live walkthrough right here. In Gamma AI, you just hit Generate and paste a simple prompt, kind of like this one. Create a presentation on generative AI. Keep it engaging and beginner-friendly. And boom. The AI brainstorms the ideas, formats the layouts, and drops in visuals to create a full professional deck in maybe 2 to 3 minutes. You get to focus entirely on your actual ideas instead of wasting hours stressing over slide formatting. Now, you might be wondering, what if it doesn't look quite right at first? Well, to fix common layout errors when editing your Gamma AI slides, it's super intuitive. Just click directly on any slide text to edit it, or click the image placeholders to swap in your own pictures. And here's the coolest part. You can use the Redesign Visual Layout feature to instantly try out completely different professional themes and styles until it perfectly matches what you're going for. As your mentor, though, I want to make sure you know all your options. While Gamma AI is absolutely amazing for this rapid, prompt-based generation, we really should briefly compare it to alternative tools like Canva or Beautiful.ai. Depending on how much manual design control you prefer, you might want to try them out too. Gamma is heavily automated for speed, but Canva gives you that super granular drag-and-drop canvas if you're the type who likes to manually tweak every single pixel. It's all about finding what fits your flow. All right, moving to section 4, managing multi-step tasks with agent mode. To completely wrap up setting up our professional workspace, let's explore how to effectively manage those multi-step tasks so you can actually focus on your real work. This brings us to agent mode, which is available in ChatGPT Pro. Think of it as a super smart assistant that works completely autonomously to finish complex tasks that involve multiple steps. It doesn't just chat with you, it actually opens up the web browser and interacts with websites on your behalf to run your errands. It's literally doing the busy work for you. Here is where the magic really happens. Imagine you have an upcoming interview in Mumbai. You can just prompt agent mode and it'll handle your travel booking. It literally navigates Paytm, compares prices, and books the flights and hotels for you. Need groceries? It adds items to your cart and completes the purchase. It can even handle job applications by searching for AI or machine learning internships and actually writing personalized cover letters for each one. It's like having a personal assistant streamline your entire life. The whole point of this AI revolution isn't just about massive corporations. It's about reclaiming your own time. Think about it. If you could hand off 3 hours of multi-step busy work to an AI tomorrow, what incredible things would you build with that freedom? Well, I hope you gained knowledge from this. Share your thoughts in the comments and like, share, and subscribe the channel.